Onboarding and training employees without a team can feel overwhelming, but it's not only possible, it can be done efficiently with the right tools and strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to onboard and train employees solo, step by step, without losing your sanity or productivity. Stick around to the end, and I'll give you an exclusive offer for a free trial of the software we're using today. First, let's talk about the power of automation. If you're working alone and need to onboard multiple employees, using software to automate certain processes is a game changer. By automating scheduling, onboarding paperwork, and even training modules, you can save countless hours. This software streamlines everything so you don't have to do it all manually. Next, create clear, structured training materials. You need step-by-step guides, video tutorials, or even document templates that you can reuse. Think of it as building a system for your employees to follow. If you have documents or videos ready to go, you can send them out immediately after the hiring process, which means no waiting around to get them started. Now, don't forget about communication. Even though you're doing this solo, you still need to make sure you're accessible. Use communication tools that allow for easy and instant feedback. Whether it's email or a project management platform, make sure employees can reach you with questions without disrupting your workflow. Set up performance tracking right away. With limited resources, you need to be strategic. Use software to monitor how employees are doing with their tasks and training. This keeps you updated without having to check in with each person manually. You'll be able to give timely feedback and support. Speaking of feedback, make sure to schedule regular check-ins. Even if it's just a quick message or a brief Zoom call once a week, keep that line of communication open. This helps ensure your employees are on track and allows you to make adjustments if needed. Don't forget about the power of self-paced learning. With the right software, you can offer training that employees can do on their own time. This is especially important when you're working without a team. You won't need to schedule time for group training sessions. Employees can log in, complete their training, and get back to work. Lastly, focus on simplifying processes. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Stick to the basics and try to reduce unnecessary tasks or steps. If the software is set up properly, it will guide you and your employees to success, minimizing the need for constant oversight. The key takeaway here is you can onboard and train employees effectively without a team by using automation, structured training materials, communication tools, and performance tracking software. These steps will help you stay organized and efficient, even when you're flying solo. Before you go, remember to check the description for a free trial of the software we used in this video. It's exclusive to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. If you want to onboard and train employees more efficiently, this is your chance to follow along with what we did today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your onboarding process.